Meanwhile, 27-year-old Simiso Phakathi appeared in the Orlando Magistrates Court this morning in connection with the alleged murder of the girlfriend Jabulisile Josephina Shabalala. Phakathi was arrested in Klerksdorp area earlier this week after members of the community identified him from a photograph that was circulated by the police through the media and social media. He's expected to return to court next Friday as the case continues.
Uvele kwinkundla kamantyi yase-Orlando umrhanelwa ojamelene nezityholo zokubulala owasetyhini obehlekisana naye uJabulisile Shabalala. Amalungu eqela le-Action SA azimase iinkqubo zenkundla ukunika inkxaso nokukhalimela esi sehlo simasikizi.
It's sad for women to be killed by their protectors. I mean, we call the male part a protector to the female part, and if a woman will be killed just like that, we don't know the cause, but I don't see any need or an object be used against a female person. So how sad and painful as Action SA basadi ba rona ba shwa in the name of love. You know, I don't know how to explain it. Our male counterpart, they're not even respecting the Women's Month. Just to kill, you know, a young lady at the age of 37 and ona mo supportela ngwana a supporta le ena ntwe sa sebetsing eo ke yone bombolaileng ka jeko.
Eli qela limemelela isigwebo esiqatha nesiza kugqithisa umyalezo ngqongqo kwabo babulala amanina.
We're here to support the family of the victim and the family of the landlords here in Tlhatswayo 404 in Tlhatswana. But what is important, we want to see justice prevail. We're saying this guy must not get a lesser sentence. We're here to support and moreover to make sure that he rot in jail. I mean, it can't happen in this month where we call it the Women's Month. We're expecting, you know, men to respect our women. You know, it can't happen. It can't happen. Gone are those days where men have to abuse abu mama. So we're saying as Action SA, we support the family and we want to see justice being prevailed and really we're against him getting bail.
La malungu azimisele ngokuqhubeka enika inkxaso de kube umrhanelwa ufumana isigwebo esifanelekileyo. Kwindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando East.